Alrighty, so we starting off this evening strong. We got our first order already. We checking in. We got $6.50 for 2 miles right here in McDonald's. And guess what? We already here. We ready to go. So guess what? Let's get it rolling. You know what time it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. Now we just gotta get them dropped off. Took a little time. Alrighty, got my next order of the evening. Looks like we're gonna be checking in at Arby's, y'all. We got $6.50 for 2 miles. Arby's don't even be packed, so we in good shape on this one. So we're gonna see if they got it ready. 2 items, so hopefully they got it ready.
2 hours later.
We got a bag ready. We got a drink. Right on. Alright, we in good shape. Look at that. Order ready. Extra cup holders. Can't ask for nothing better. I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. What can I do?
Glad to hear it. I'm picking up a order. I don't know what it is. It just says photo counter.
Sure.
For
one of my coworkers just started DOORDASH.
yeah.
And she was like, boy, I can't believe how many people don't tip.
Man, she should watch my videos on YouTube. I give some tips to Dashers. That's what I'm doing here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You
Stay
too.
hydrated.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Alrighty, got my next order. We got $6 for 1 mile right here at Honey Baked Ham. So we're gonna go ahead and check in and get this one done. Keeping the wheels rolling on these. Man, I cannot believe that order was actually ready. Let's go.
You're good.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Power was right on that one. We got $11, y'all. That was a good order. $8.25. What I accepted. $11. What we got? Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Order. We're gonna be checking in at Qdoba, but we got $7 for 4 miles, but it's not really 4 miles, y'all. I'm heading back to the zone. It's really like 2 miles, like $7 for 2 miles. Possibility for a hidden tip. Let's get it done.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, we got our next order. We got a stack. Y'all. We got $12 for 5 miles. Panda Express and Red Robin. Two decent places to be picking up from. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one done. Maybe my last one. For me. Made it a lot easier. Thank you. You too.